IRH Med, Innovative Residential Housing in the Mediterranean, is a project financed by the Mediterranean Transnational Cooperation Programme, in which the Ravenna Provincial Administration is a partner. The aim is to promote sustainable, innovative dwellings with high levels of comfort and energy environmental quality, compatible with the climatic, social and cultural features of the Mediterranean area. The project is headed by Acció, the Catalonia Development Agency, and unites public and private bodies from Spain, France, Italy, Greece and Croatia. Development of sustainable dwellings is a great challenge for Mediterranean Europe, both on the environmental and socio-economic levels, calling for new policies and shared development strategies. Assessment tool. To this end, we set out from the fine-tuning of a shared system of environmental and socio-economic assessment, identifying 7 key thematic areas: site and territory, materials and site management, energy efficiency, water resource management, health and comfort, social aspects, integrated and economic management of the intervention. Each area was then subdivided into sub-areas with specific assessment criteria, some of them obligatory. Each criterion was then assigned specific indicators for calculation of respective achievable standards on the basis of specific points systems whose sum will define the performance level of the building and the quality of the sustainability project. Pilot project. For the pilot project to test the shared assessment system, the Ravenna Provincial Administration turned to the social housing sector, because the future of building today lies more than ever at the meeting point between low cost and quality. Social housing came into being to satisfy market needs and seems set to shape towns and suburbs in an innovative way. So the Ravenna Provincial Administration chose Acció as a partner for the study of the pilot project. Acció is a public body which for 100 years has been building and managing publicly owned housing on the territory. It runs more than 4,500 dwellings situated in buildings whose average age exceeds 50 years, with obvious problems of poor livability and performances at energy and environmental levels. For these reasons, and also due to the current downtrend in the newly built market, it was decided to go for an upgrading project that might trigger a virtuous circle of rehabilitating existing publicly owned housing. Description of site and building. The project envisages the upgrading of a block of 24 flats built in the late 70s with 4 floors above ground level. This row-type building stands along a northeast-southeast axis. All the flats have a double view, with the sleeping area facing east and the living area on the west side. Tall trees around the building provide adequate shade along the main prospect, but much less on the southwest side. It's built with a reinforced concrete frame structure and curtain walls in brickwork. Window and door frames and screens are in wood with single pane glazing, and the roller shutters are in wood. The flat roof is in concrete and masonry. The heating system is centralized, with a 315 kilowatt diesel boiler and steel radiators. Thermal energy is calculated through a direct system. Hot water for sanitary use is independent and supplied by a natural gas boiler installed outside the flats. Project. The project follows the sustainability criteria of the IRH Med protocol, envisaging upgrading of the sheathing and optimization of the centralized system. The sheathing upgrade consists of the creation of a ventilated wall system, replacement of door window frames and screens with similar ones in double glazed wood, Venetian blinds flush to the external elevation, insulation of the roofing with cork panels, and the creation of an extensive sedum matte green roof. Work on existing plant will involve replacement of the heat generator with a suitable natural gas boiler, centralization of sanitary hot water production by means of centralized storage, and the installation of flat glazed solar panels. Results. Devised in this way, the project will reduce energy requirements by 2/3 and recover wastewater, promoting the building from Class D to Class A in the Emilia-Romagna classification.